Now, they say charity begins at home, and this stands true for the effort of a common lady who has become unordinary with her gesture towards her locality. Her effort towards Swachh Bharat has created an example for others as well. And how this happened, take a look.
Sharmila Gharpure, who works for State Bank of India as assistant manager, has turned into a Shramdani, which is a part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's drive towards Clean India. She started cleaning a foot over bridge in Vile Parle all alone. Through social media, she managed to convince other people for voluntary contribution to her initiative, and her successful efforts on different layers have turned that foot over bridge into a nice passage. How does it feel to be a Shramdani?
Actually, we were inspired by Narendra Modi as well as Temsutula Imsong. She's doing Shramdan for quite some time on Varanasi Ghats, and she has cleaned all the ghats, and I was reading about it for so many days and months.
What kind of responses, what kind of reactions that you received? Any response would you like to share with us?
There are mixed responses. People feel that this has to be done, but yet they are a little they're not very comfortable in holding a broom and cleaning a public place.
I also had these inhibitions. So I also, as Sharmila said, we came to know about Temsutula's work, and you need somebody who can actually lead, so inspire amongst the very small group. So we started with this small group, but then once you start doing it, your inhibitions, shyness goes away. You don't feel as if you're holding a broom in the public place. People will laugh at you, or whatever apprehensions that you may have, you don't feel them.
I joined only because of social media. I saw a posting on the Facebook, and I said, you are doing it and I am not joining. I feel ashamed.
Bal Karandikar, who has lost contact between his brain and bladder after undergoing major cancer operation, has also come out from his home to contribute to the Swachhata Bharat Abhiyan in Mumbai.
सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण ये है स्वच्छता, और इसीलिए मैं यहाँ आया हूँ ऐसी मेरी पोजीशन में कि अभी जब प्रधानमंत्री ये काम हाथ में लेते हैं तो उसका ज़रूर कुछ ना कुछ इफ़ेक्ट हो जाता है। उससे पहले बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगता था स्वच्छता होनी चाहिए, बाकी कंट्रीज़ में जाते हैं तो देखते हैं तो उसके कंपैरिजन में अपना तो बहुत ख़राब है ना, तो बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगता था। लेकिन अब जब प्रधानमंत्री ने खुद हाथ में लिया तो ज़रूर उसका कुछ इफ़ेक्ट हो जाएगा।
Local vendors are the eyewitnesses of the change which has been carried out by this group on the line of Ekla Chalore. ये बताइए कितना बदलाव देखा आपने स्टेशन पर?
स्टेशन में तो बदलाव तो हुआ है, पहले से थोड़ा बदलाव हुआ है अभी, सफाई की वजह से थोड़ा बदलाव हुआ है अभी। पहले से लोग जागरूकता थोड़ा बढ़ा है अभी इस समय। हाँ, अभी आने वाले समय में कुछ तो ऐसा लगता है कि बदलेगा, कुछ
बदलेगा, उम्मीद है। Not only in Vile Parle but also other pockets of the city is now experiencing the change and want the change to be continued. What would be your message to the people they are watching you?
I just want to say that more and more people should join in.
Your message?
Just join in, just do it, just feel free.
Your message?
Society is contributing for you. You also contribute back to the society.
This is Swami Vivekananda thought.
My message would be, you should not underestimate the reality. Just join.
Exactly. There is a saying in English that you can ignore the reality, but you cannot ignore the consequences of ignoring reality, and that is what we are witnessing in Mumbai and also across Abhiyan is concerned. With cameraman Jitesh, this is Yogesh Kumar Sital, DD News, Mumbai.